In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. If you've found yourself in a situation where you need to assert your rightful ownership over a Facebook page, whether it's because you've just taken over a business or you're stepping in as the social media manager, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right into the steps to ensure a smooth and successful process. First, it's crucial to ensure that you have a Facebook account that can be linked to the page you're trying to claim. This account should be up to date and in good standing with Facebook policies. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Facebook page you wish to claim. You can do so by simply searching for the page name in the Facebook search bar. Once you've accessed the page, look for the icon, generally found on the right side below the cover photo. Clicking this icon will give you a drop-down menu with several options. Here, your goal is to find the option that says Report Page or Report this page. This might sound a bit counterintuitive since we're reporting to claim ownership rather than report an issue, but trust me, this is the way forward. Upon selecting Report Page, you'll be prompted with a series of questions. Navigate through these options and select the ones that allow you to express that you're trying to claim ownership. Typically, you will encounter choices like, I would like to claim this page. Confirming these selections will help guide the platform in understanding your intent clearly. Now, Facebook will usually require you to provide some additional information. This may include documentation proving your connection or claim to the business or organization the page represents. If you have any legal documents, email correspondence, or official documents showing your affiliation with the business, make sure they are handy. Usually, a utility bill, business license, or any other kind of official paperwork that ties you to the page will suffice. Upload these documents through the channels that Facebook directs you to. Remember that the clarity of these documents and the accuracy of the information is crucial. After submitting the necessary documentation and clarifications, take a moment to review everything you've submitted, then send your request. Now it's time to wait. Facebook's review and response time can vary, typically taking anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Make sure you check your notifications and email inbox regularly because Facebook will contact you through these channels with their decision or if they need further information. While waiting, it's crucial to practice patience and prepare yourself for any further detailing you might need to provide. Also, make it a point to regularly check the email address associated with your Facebook account, as that will be their primary communication channel. And there you have it, a comprehensive rundown on how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. If you follow these steps with the right documents and information, you should be on your way to successfully claiming the page.